James and I had such a blast kayaking with his dad in Idaho for our very first time. The scenery was incredible, and I was the only one who didn't flip the kayak. We made it to the river. There's James and his dad getting the kayak out. Number one. James and I have no idea what we're doing. It's a little colder than I would like. I'm probably gonna freeze. Still got a couple more to get. Maybe Jamie putting on his life jacket. We're ready for our kayaking adventure. First time on the kayak. What? We are hanging out kayaking, and James flipped over. He's down there. Flipped over on some rapids. Now he's been getting ready to get his canoe back in the water. I was able to pull over to this side, paddled upriver for a while, and then found this little cove area to hang out in. Pretty cool. Just kind of chilling. It's really pretty out here. Just waiting for James to get back in his boat. Oh, he almost fell in again. That would have been bad. Here he comes. The adventure can continue now. But yeah, this is a gorgeous area. We're in Idaho. Really pretty area to kayak. So, we're having fun.